Hello folks, today Tom will be going over how to set up your HUBBLE humidifier. HUBBLE was developed in-house to address the need for more powerful humidification, especially for larger humidor cabinets. So let's get into it. First step is unpacking. Carefully open your HUBBLE, opening the carton top side up like so. Carefully remove the contents. Securely set down your HUBBLE tank. Unlock the lid on your tank by pressing in the tab on both latches. Remove all contents and unwrap the bubble-wrapped components. You will have a controller, a sensor, a transformer, instruction sheet and set of screws. Careful not to lose these. Be sure to remove all wire ties on cords. Also observe the water level sticker inside your tank. This will be important later. A quick note. If you press down firmly on latches and hear a click, the lid is now locked. You must now squeeze the side tabs to unlock. Now onto the fun part, setup. Make sure you have your instructions and screws on hand, as well as a screwdriver or drill. A spray bottle filled with water and some wire ties may also be helpful. We recommend running an extension cord through the back of the case through the hole provided and securing with a rubber stopper around the cord. Alternatively, you can run the power cord from the controller and out the back of the case and into a standard 3-prong outlet. Next, mount your controller on the inside back wall of your humidor utilizing one of the screws provided. Keep the device away from a water source and in a place where the display can be easily read. We recommend mounting it in a central location, however, you can place this anywhere you'd like. Take a moment to organize your cords. The sensor should be mounted in a central location. Utilizing the second screw provided, mount the sensor to the back wall of your humidor. Here's a helpful tip. Do not block sensor with any objects in order to ensure an accurate reading. Another helpful tip, you can also use wire ties to tidy up your cords. If you disconnected the transformer to aid in running wires, make sure only the transformer plug is plugged back into work 1. Now we fill the tank. On the initial fill, we recommend opening the lid and filling it that way. When maintaining, we recommend using a funnel through one of the holes on the top of the tank. Unplug before filling. If the fan is running, simply unplug at the power jack. Observe the water level line and be sure to keep water as close to this line as possible. For best results, use distilled water. Be careful not to spill on any electrical components or the fan. Securely close the latches on your tank. Plug into power source. Carefully carry your HUBBLE tank to your humidor and place inside the main cavity on the bottom shelf. Do not place HUBBLE inside any storage compartments. Simply plug the power jack connector cord into the fan. Push in securely so that the fan turns on. Your fan should now be running. Using a spray bottle filled with distilled water, lightly mist the inside of your humidor to season all wooden surfaces, focusing on the racks. This forces moisture into the wood and takes stress off the machine for the initial startup. Now watch your percentage of humidity climb. The fan will automatically shut off when it reaches 70%. And just a note, the 70% set point can be altered. Just see the instruction sheet. Setup is now complete. Great job! Just a tip before we go. You may stack cigars and/or boxes on the same shelf as your HUBBLE, but do not overcrowd or obstruct airways to ensure optimal flow of humidification. We hope you love HUBBLE as much as we do. Be sure to follow us and stay tuned for more videos.